Dang, my elbows need some lotion. All right. Back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing a Indian hair unboxing. You guys know if I get a big Indian hair order, I come on here as often as I can, show you guys what Indian hair looks like, how the raw textures, you know, coincide with each other, and what raw hair actually looks like when you purchase it from a raw hair vendor. Okay, I've done reviews on tons of, well, let me stop, not tons, but a few, and we're gonna keep doing them as well. Raw Indian hair vendors. I've been very busy, but I will keep that going. I need to find another Burmese vendor, and I need to find another Cambodian hair vendor as well. But I have raw Indian hair from my vendor here, okay, and a pretty big large order I have for my wig drop coming up soon. So this video might be out after my wig drop, but we'll see. I try to do a wig drop every first of the month, so keep an eye out for the first. So let me get this open. All right, got that. I probably shouldn't have opened it with a pen, but we got hair here for you guys. Where should I put this box? Maybe I should put it over here. Ah, I'm messing up the hair. All right, so let's put it here. What we got, what we got, what we got. This is how my raw hair Indian hair comes, in these plastic packages by length. All right, so let's see what we got. This is a 20-inch curly, 20-inch soft curly bundle. I guess I could just throw those on the floor. Ooh, look at her. Let me shake her out a little bit. This is what 20 inches raw Indian curly hair looks like, you guys. Beautiful, super, dang. This bundle is super soft. Super soft. Very good. Get that water on there, that leave-in conditioner, diffuse it a little bit, get those curls popping. This one is really nice. So this one's a 20-inch. All right, I'm gonna try to move through all this hair as fast as I can. Okay, so this is 18 inches right out the package. This is what it looks like. Very bouncy, 18 inches. This is what my wefting, hopefully it focuses. This is what my wefting looks like. This is what the hair looks like, top to bottom. Love it, love it, love it. Very soft as well. So that's 18 inches. Let me try to space everything out. Here's another, oh, this is a 22-inch. So I'm gonna put these bundles side by side so you can see. This is a 22-inch curly. So this is the 22, this is the 20, this is the 18. All right, this is how they all hang. This is what all the curl patterns look like. I feel like this one's a little different. That 20 in the middle, it's a little different, but amazing still. If you wanted to order an 18, 20 and 22 inch, this is what it'll look like. Okay, so that is that. I know I have some closures and frontals in here as well. This is another 22. Come on, here's another 20. This one seems a little longer than the other 22. Maybe it's just not as curly. Now, you guys, I know you guys have tons of requests. Can you get me some coarse hair? Can you get me some wavier hair? Can you get all the bundles to match? I will match it to the best of my abilities, you guys, okay? You guys know every single bundle comes different, and it can also vary with the color as well. Now, I'm not going to send you a 1B bundle and a level 6 brown, super light brown bundle. I'm not going to do that without consulting with you first before I ship the hair out. I would hate for you to be forced to color the hair and so on and so forth. So that is how it goes. I try to match it the best way that I can. Here is a 22 inch. What we got, and I think I have wavy hair in here as well somewhere. Here is a 24 inch. Okay, you guys know sometimes the longer the hair that you get, the looser the wave or curl pattern is. There we go. So this one is a 24 inch. Let me shake that up a bit. And I did ask my vendor to try and send me curlier hair, you know, as curly as they can kind of find it. That one is a 24 inch. Very, very beautiful. I love, love, love this texture. All right, so this one's a 24. Let me move everything over. This one, oh, this is a 20 inch frontal, 13 by 4 inch frontal here. Ooh, this lace feeling nice. Here we go. There's the frontal, either side, stretchy lace. 13 by 4. 13 by 6 can be custom ordered, you guys. So if you're a 13 by 6 kind of girl, you can definitely be custom ordered. Everybody asks me, like, what do the knots look like? Like, I hope my camera could focus in there on what the knots look like. Let me open it up. That's kind of what they look like. All right. So knots are not too big. Woo, almost dropped it. All right, I'm gonna keep this one back here. Let's see what else we got in this package. I'm not trying to keep you guys too long in this video. All right, so this one's a 22 inch curly. All right, that's what that looks like. 22 inches. All right. Trying to get through this. This one's another 22 inch curly. This one feels a little more coarse, just a tiny bit. Very beautiful curly raw Indian, 22 inch again. Let me try to find one that's not, oh, 24 inches. And I have longer lengths as well. I just haven't ran into them yet. They're probably towards the bottom of the box. Come on. 24 inches here. This one is curly. Look, this is the last 24 inch. You see how this one is a little bit longer than this one? This one is a tighter curl. This one is a little bit tighter of a curl than this one, but they're both 24 inches, okay? So let's see what we got. Here is, so I put some down here. Two more 24 inches. Super beautiful. Love it, love it, love it. And then two 26 inches. These are two 26 inches natural curly, okay? That's what it looks like. Super, super cute. Very beautiful. Very soft. All right, 26 inches. Let me put these back. So if you guys have any questions about my raw Indian hair, that doesn't include you asking for my vendor. My vendor is for sale on my website. So if for those, I sold my Burmese curly vendor already. If you want to purchase my Indian hair vendor, I have, is it 3 or 2? I primarily order from 2 Indian hair vendors right now. I gotta look and see if my third one. This is 28 inches. Here's 28 inches raw Indian curly, all right? Very beautiful, very long. it's definitely down to my waist, like my hips, I mean. Super, super nice. Super nice for a very long look. All right, let me put that away. And I have 30 inches here as well for my long hair wears. Okay, look at that. 30 inches, you guys. Very hard to keep this length, the 28 and the 30, in stock in the natural curly. So if you see it and I have it and you want it, girl, grab it. Okay, this one is so nice. So nice. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Bam. I love it. I love it. Love it. Love it. All right, let's see what else is in this box. I know I got Wavy in here. Let me dig a little further down. Okay, here's some Wavy. 2 22-inch Wavies. Come on. Here we go. And these ones are kind of like a silky wavy. No joke. Normally they're a little textured for my wavy hair, which matches very well for my clients who flat iron their hair often. Here are the wavy bundles. Very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Love it. This one was, what did I say this was? 22 inches. 22-inch wavy. Let me put this back here, I guess. Ah! Lord, I'm dropping everything. All right, let me dig. What else we got? 2 24-inch wavies. All right. Ah, I'm dropping it. I'm dropping it. Lord, help me. These are 24-inch wavies. Super beautiful. Dang. This one is so nice. So nice. I wish I wore a white shirt today so I could really show y'all. 24-inch wavies, okay? Super nice. People always ask me, what are the ounces of your bundles? They normally do it by 100 grams, which ends up being between 3.5, 3.7. Normally they're about 3.7, 3.8 ounces for each bundle. Bundle. Let me put that up there. Dig into this box of goodies. Ooh. Okay, 28-inch wavy up in here. All right, let me. Come on. 10 hours later, right? Let me dig this out. All right, I don't want this video to be too long, so ask me whatever questions you guys want to ask me down below, and I will definitely get back to you. I try to answer everyone on here. 28. Oh my goodness. 28-inch wavy. Oh, damn. Beautiful. 2 bundles, 28-inch wavy. These are both like a natural brown. Bomb. Bomb. The hair is gonna last you, you guys. Take care of your bundles, okay? Don't treat them like no beauty supply store hair, okay? Comb your bundles out. Put it in a scarf. Put it in a bonnet at night. Do not mistreat your bundles. If you treat them right, they will treat you right. That's all I'm saying. Dang, I got more hair in here. Okay. I did some 20 and 18-inch already, so I'm not going to open those. I have a closure. What is this? This is a 20-inch curly closure. Dun, 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 dun. There we go. Here is the closure. 20 inches. Very beautiful. Very thick, actually. I mean, not from the root, but I mean, like, it's thick all the way down. And they vary as well. Normally, they don't come as thick all the way down to the ends, but y'all, like I said, sometimes they come a little different. Hopefully, you guys can see the knots a little bit in there. Hopefully, y'all can see that. So that is a 20-inch closure. All right, let me see what we got. 18, 22. That's an 18. This is a 22-inch frontal. I try to carry them, but it's so hard to carry them in stock. But here is a 22-inch lace frontal. All right, that's what it looks like. Very, very beautiful. Very nice. Let me put that in here. 22 inches. I think I got a little bit more. Oh no. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's all I got. So you guys, message me, comment below if you guys have any questions on any of my raw hair that I keep in stock or that you have to pre-order. There is a pre-order page on my website. If you want to pre-order something that I do not have in stock on my website, do not hesitate. Click there, pre-order, get your order in about 2 weeks. It'll be to you. Most likely, maybe a little sooner, but don't quote me. I could. Sometimes things happen, just like with the whole war going on. It kind of delayed my orders a little bit. But I will try. You guys know, I'm gonna say it in almost every video, I am trying to stay in stock with my stuff, so you guys do not have to pre-order. The only things that's gonna stay on pre-order for a little while are my eye tips and tape-ins, but my regular bundles, frontals, and closures, I'm gonna try my hardest to stay in stock. Bear with me. It's only me, my husband, running this show, and that's it. So bear with me with keeping stuff in stock. If I don't have it in stock, the fastest way always is going to be to pre-order, okay? So check out my website, qbwigcollections.com, and you guys can order your hair there. And if you have any questions, email me, message below, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. And I thank you guys so much for watching this video. There are more videos for this like this coming. So subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.